Hello, this is Darin Martineau, and I'm going to talk about my new product in this video. This new product is called uh, the Houdini Card Project. Uh, so the Houdini Card Project it includes 10 instructional videos and 2 ebooks. So I give you a lot of value. In my products, I give a lot of value. Um, Houdini Card 1, the effect is an amazing card to spectator's pocket. Houdini Card 2, you can watch a couple demos of these on here. Um, Houdini card 3 is the lock deck. I show you how to make the lock deck, which is an awesome trick deck. Houdini card number 4 is what I call the new leaper. It's my original. It's a variation of a Charles T. Jordan card routine. Houdini card number 5 is my original card transposition. This also includes the bonus routines, the Houdini family sponge ball routine, which is based on a Lou Lancaster professional sponge ball routine. My original, The Royal Miracle, which you can adapt the Houdini script and pattern into this. It's a combination of several things. Finishes with the Royal Flush, very strong piece. Then I have my original Deck Vanish, Rising Card, and Vanish. Also, my new triple Houdini color change, which is also known as the Erdnase color change. I have a new variation, which is a triple Erdnase color change. Next, you have the Chaperone, which I adapt the Houdini and Hardin pattern to. You can adapt the Houdini family script to, and that's called the Chaperone. It's a trick with 3 balls. I also include 2 bonus magic ebooks. This is Magic ebook by Lauren Campbell, which has over 32 magic routines in it and the Houdini card plot from 1945. Uh, Also, my book, The Real Street Magic ebook, which has got the Super Sponge Ball routine in it, which you can combine with some of the Sponge Ball routines and the Houdini pattern. I have the Pinch Production, the Growing Sponge Ball, the Shrinking Sponge Ball, variations of the Shrinking Sponge Ball, Torn and Restored Napkin and Paper Balls, Card Magic, Mentalism, Torn Corner to Anywhere. In here I show the torn corner of card to chocolate. Um, I also show the 3 coin miracle, which you can kind of take some Houdini pattern with the coins and different things. Then I show professional magic tips, and that is the product. So we'll see you on the inside.